How does Ryu use his fireball move? In the world of gaming, a question that has sparked interest among players is how Ryu utilizes his fireball move, known as the Hadoken. With recent discussions around the Street Fighter series, especially on Nintendo systems, many are eager to learn more about this iconic technique. The Hadoken is not just a flashy move. It plays a vital role in Ryu's strategy during battles. To execute the Hadoken, players need to perform a specific input on their controller. This usually involves making a quarter-circle forward motion on the joystick or directional pad, followed by pressing a punch button. When done correctly, Ryu thrusts his hands forward, releasing a blue energy projectile that travels across the screen. This fireball move serves multiple purposes in gameplay. It allows Ryu to control space effectively, keeping opponents at bay. It can also interrupt enemy advances, punishing them for being too aggressive. Additionally, the Hadoken can set up combos, forcing opponents to jump, which opens them up for counterattacks. The speed, damage, and recovery time of the Hadoken can vary based on which strength of punch button is used. Players can choose light, medium, or heavy punches, allowing them to adapt their strategy based on the situation. This flexibility is essential in competitive play. In crossover titles like Super Smash Bros. For Nintendo 3DS, Wii U, and Ultimate, Ryu's fireball retains its core mechanics but is integrated into a broader fighting system. In these games, players can charge the Hadoken for increased power or combine it with other attacks for tactical advantages. Overall, Ryu's fireball move is a versatile tool that helps maintain offensive pressure and control the battlefield. Whether you are a seasoned player or new to the game, understanding how to effectively use the Hadoken can significantly improve your gameplay experience on Nintendo systems.